The Boy Who Changed the Village. In a small village called Rampura, surrounded by dry fields, rocky hills, and dusty roads, there lived a poor boy named Arjun. His house was a tiny hut made of mud walls, with an old plastic sheet covering the roof. During rainy days, water leaked into every corner of the house. Arjun lived with his father Ramu, mother Lakshmi, and younger sister Meena. His father worked as a daily wage laborer, carrying cement bags at construction sites in a nearby town. Some days he got work, and some days he returned home empty-handed. Every morning before sunrise, Lakshmi cooked rice on a firewood stove while smoke filled the house. Before going to school, Arjun fetched water from a distant well and helped his mother. Even though life was full of struggles, Arjun had one big dream. He wanted to become successful and change his family's life forever. Arjun studied in a government school where the classrooms had broken benches and cracked walls. Many children dropped out after the 8th standard because their families needed money. But Arjun loved education deeply. At night, while other children slept, he studied under a dim streetlight near the village temple because his house did not have proper electricity. The villagers often mocked him. "Poor boys can never become rich," they said. "Stop dreaming and start working." Their words hurt him deeply, but he never gave up. One evening, his father collapsed at work and returned home sick. The doctor said he needed several months of rest. That night, Arjun saw his mother crying silently. There was no money left. No food. No hope. The next morning, Arjun made a difficult decision. Before school, he started selling tea at the bus stand. After school, he carried vegetable bags in the market to earn a little money. Even late at night, he continued studying. His hands became rough. His eyes became tired. But his dream stayed alive. One day, a new teacher named Ravi Sir joined the school. He noticed Arjun sleeping in class. Instead of scolding him, he asked gently, "Why are you so tired?" Arjun finally opened his heart and told him everything. The poverty, the hunger, his father's illness, his dream. Ravi Sir was deeply moved. From that day onward, he secretly helped Arjun. He gave him old books, extra lessons, and sometimes even food. "You are different," Ravi Sir told him. "Never lose faith in yourself." Those words became Arjun's strength. Years passed.
गांव को बदलने वाला लड़का। सूखे खेतों, पत्थरीली पहाड़ियों और धूल भरी सड़कों से घिरे रामपुर नाम के छोटे से गांव में अर्जुन नाम का एक गरीब लड़का रहता था। उसका घर मिट्टी की दीवारों से बना एक छोटा सा झोपड़ा था। छत पुराने प्लास्टिक की चादरों से ढकी हुई थी। बारिश के दिनों में घर के हर कोने से पानी टपकता था। अर्जुन अपने पिता रामू, माँ लक्ष्मी और छोटी बहन मीना के साथ रहता था। उसके पिता पास के शहर में निर्माण स्थल पर सीमेंट की बोरियां उठाने का काम करते थे। कभी काम मिलता था, कभी खाली हाथ घर लौटना पड़ता था। हर सुबह सूरज निकलने से पहले लक्ष्मी लकड़ी के चूल्हे पर खाना बनाती थी। धुआं पूरे घर में भर जाता था। स्कूल जाने से पहले अर्जुन दूर के कुएं से पानी लाकर मां की मदद करता था। जीवन बहुत कठिन था, लेकिन अर्जुन का एक बड़ा सपना था। वह सफल बनना चाहता था और अपने परिवार की जिंदगी हमेशा के लिए बदलना चाहता था। अर्जुन सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ता था। वहां टूटी बेंचें और फटी दीवारें थीं। कई बच्चे 8वीं कक्षा के बाद पढ़ाई छोड़ देते थे क्योंकि उनके परिवार को पैसों की जरूरत होती थी। लेकिन अर्जुन को पढ़ाई से बहुत प्यार था। रात में जब बाकी बच्चे सो जाते, तब वह गांव के मंदिर के पास लगी कमजोर स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे बैठकर पढ़ाई करता था क्योंकि उसके घर में ठीक से बिजली नहीं थी। गांव वाले अक्सर उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे। गरीब लड़के कभी अमीर नहीं बन सकते, वे कहते थे। सपने देखना छोड़ो और काम करो। उनकी बातें अर्जुन को बहुत दुख पहुंचाती थीं, लेकिन उसने कभी हार नहीं मानी। एक शाम उसके पिता काम करते समय गिर पड़े और बीमार होकर घर लौटे। डॉक्टर ने कहा कि उन्हें कई महीनों तक आराम करना होगा। उस रात अर्जुन ने अपनी मां को चुपचाप रोते हुए देखा। घर में पैसे नहीं थे, खाना नहीं था, उम्मीद भी नहीं थी। अगली सुबह अर्जुन ने एक कठिन फैसला लिया। स्कूल जाने से पहले उसने बस स्टैंड पर चाय बेचना शुरू किया। स्कूल के बाद वह बाजार में सब्जियों के बोरे उठाकर थोड़े पैसे कमाने लगा। देर रात तक भी वह पढ़ाई करता रहा।
Many students laughed at his simple clothes and village accent. But Arjun focused only on his studies. He studied computer science and spent long hours in libraries and computer labs. To survive, he worked nights washing dishes in a small hotel. Sometimes he slept only 3 hours. Still, he never complained. Years later, his hard work finally paid off. Arjun created a software project that impressed a major technology company. Soon, he received a high-paying job offer. The poor village boy had finally achieved his dream. After many years, Arjun returned to Rampura. But this time, he arrived in a car. The villagers who once laughed at him now welcomed him with great respect. Arjun built a new house for his family. He repaired the village school. He installed street lights so that no child would have to study in darkness again. He started a free education center for poor children. During the inauguration ceremony, Ravi sir stood proudly beside him. Arjun told the children, "Never believe that poverty can stop your future. Dreams are stronger than difficulties." The villagers applauded with tears in their eyes. Years later, Arjun became one of the most respected people in the district. But he never forgot his past. Every night, he remembered the small boy who studied under a streetlight with hungry eyes and fearless dreams. His story spread across villages and towns, inspiring thousands of children. Because true success is not born from comfort. It is born from struggle, sacrifice, courage, and hope. And sometimes, the poorest boy becomes the brightest light in the world.